Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin as we head into a new week. Only a quick update really, not too many updates since the last video. Also, I'm running a bit out of time. Would like to get a few updates done. What is important to understand is that we are still here in this move down. Basically, a few options are possible here to count it. But what is important to understand, irrespective of that, is if we're expecting here another move down or if we expect a move up from here. At the moment, as I labeled it in the previous video and as I made you aware, I would expect one more leg here to the downside in this move down to complete a wave 2. Yeah, it's not entirely clear if this will be a wave 2 or if the move down is only a wave A, then we are going to see a larger wave B retracement to the upside, and then there will be one more stronger leg down in a wave C. Maybe in the next update I will discuss that a little bit more. But imminently that is not very important. Very important is that short term, there's a good chance that we are going to see here one more wave down. Only really if we go above, and I highlighted that in yellow here, if we go above 22,150, that would for me be some kind of a breakout level above which we need to get to make this imminent scenario to the downside less likely. The problem that we have, and I mentioned it before, is that this, you can count it as an impulse, what is happening here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it does not really have all the characteristics. It's not ideal in terms of the Fibonacci extensions. And therefore, as I said before, it looks corrective. This entire move looks corrective. Therefore, there's a good chance that this is just a wave 4 and we come down in one more wave 5. Also, the cryptos and various cryptos have shown weakness since my last update yesterday. By the way, this green area is again, as always, indicated as reversal area where I would expect a reversal of this move to the downside. Yeah, this sort of short rally to the upside should here ideally reverse to the downside. That is based on the Fibonacci extensions between the 23.6% Fib level and the 38.2% Fib level here. As I said, we could even move up to the 50% Fib level here around 22,000. Here's actually 186, so we might as well move that up a little bit. But that yellow line was actually based on that swing high here. But let's move it to the 50% Fib level. If we get above that level, yeah, and a small wick doesn't really matter. But if we get substantially above that level, hold it, maybe retest it, then it would be very, very unrealistic that this is still a wave 4. And it could as well be an impulse in that case. So we're looking at some kind of a breakout then. And the low of this correction might then already be in. At the moment, primary expectation would be though to go down lower in a wave 5 and then have upside after that. Yeah, so I'd be looking at either a stronger corrective rally in, for example, a wave B or an impulsive rally. Now, which one it will be, we don't know yet. That will also provide some clarity then about what waves we had going on here, because there's a couple of ways how this can be counted. But important message here is that we are close to the low here, at least close to a temporary swing low, a local low, after one more dip, I think, and that there will be upside afterwards. That's my opinion. If it will be corrective upside or impulsive upside, that is what we're going to see afterwards. But I would suggest, based on that, there will be some upside in this week going on, maybe in the next few days, after the strong sell-off last week. And I'll definitely keep you updated here about Bitcoin throughout the day. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.